I'm a retired hacker, and this is Freebie TV.
Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you Sora 2, which is free and unlimited as of the time of this video. It has impressive video quality, just like what you're seeing here, and best of all, it's completely free and unlimited as of the time of this video. If you're interested and want to know what this tool is, it's right here in this video. So let's get to it. Well, guys, the first tool I want to introduce to you is the Bing tool. For those who don't know, Microsoft is now launching some artificial intelligence tools. They just released a free and unlimited tool for us. But there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind that I'll explain in this video. Well, creating content here is really simple. Just type in your search engine bing.com. We're in Bing's gate right now. Just click on Video Creator. Let's sign in first. If you are using a search engine with your email account connected, you don't have to sign. Here we have image and video creation. Choose video. Here we have our prompt box. Wait, let me just put my prompt right here. I'm going to upload this image, and my idea is under the water. The man with the camera shoots a 18 meters sperm whale. The camera is orbital. The mood is dramatic. The visual style is photorealistic cinematic, Hollywood style. End prompt. It is a simple prompt, but he has all the information needed to create a great video. Now I'm going to select an 8-second video with an aspect ratio of 9:16 or 16:9. This is one of the options you need to pay attention to here regarding priority. Whether we need a quick template or the standard template. You can see that the quick template has a limitation here. I've already created something to test the tool, and I still have 7 quick creation options left, as you can see. Like I told you, it's free, but limited. But with this standard template here, guys, the tool offers the free and unlimited for generating designs. The video is ready. Let's see it. Is a great video. You download it here. Keep in mind that this tool's generation time depends on how many people are using it at the moment. It'll take longer if there are a lot of users. It really depends on how many people are using it right then. I use the standard template in the early morning. It delivers results even faster for me. Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to use the quick template to create a design faster and show you the generation process. Just a reminder, we begin with 10 generations on the fast model. Here we can also upload an image to generate content. There are a few model options it provides here for us to use if we want, right? And to create content, we go here under Create, and the tool starts the generation process here. It's done. I've already generated a few things with it too, and I'll even show you some examples here, like this one, this video right here. As you can see, it delivers really good results. It's Sora 2 for creating content, and we can really make tons and tons of creations. I made a few here just to test it out, you know? Like I told you, I use the free version mostly in the early morning because there are fewer people using it then. So it really delivers very satisfying results. In terms of quality, image quality, sound effects, and so on. We can really make the most of it, so we can keep using it. The bad parts, you have to know a little of prompt creation, because this app can only accept 400 letters in its prompt. If you give an idea to create a video to Chat or Claude, it will be much more than 400 letters. So when you create your prompt, leave some space for the camera angle, the mood, and the visual style. If you have questions about this issue, just comment below. The second bad part. The app is very sensible to violence and no persons or characters. So any prompt that indicates just a little bit of that, the generation will be canceled. It's really great, guys. Like I said, I create lots of content using this tool to really test it out. So I can bring you only high-quality options here on the channel. As you can see, this new AI is insane. It creates videos for free and with absolutely no limits. I hope you liked the tutorial. Feel free to like and subscribe.